Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you all this sparkly and glittery blue smoky eye look using my Beauty Glazed Color Board palette. So I've already created two eye looks using the green and the orange palette, and today I've used the blue palette to create this eye makeup. So without any further ado, if you wanna know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So this is how the palette looks. It's really beautiful and gorgeous. And first I will be taking this cream colored eyeshadow to set my eyelid. So I've already primed my eyelid, so I'm just gonna set it using this matte eyeshadow. Next up, I'll be taking this light brown eyeshadow as my transition shade, and with the help of a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, I'm gonna blend it on my crease. This shade is not that much dark from my skin tone. It's almost a close match to my skin, so I had to build it up twice or thrice to get a decent amount of pigmentation so that there are some warmth and color to my crease. Now taking this sky blue eyeshadow on a really densely packed and dome shaped crease brush, I am directly applying it on my crease using stamping motion. So starting from the outer corners, I created a half moon shape on my crease. So this color was also not that much pigmented, and I expected it to be a little bit more pigmented than I received. So I had to build it up also twice or thrice, but still there are not that much vibrancy of the color as I was expecting after seeing it in the pan. So after stamping the color on my crease using the same eyeshadow blending brush, I'm just blending it out, making sure there are no harsh lines. So I just took my sweet little time, and using small circular motion, I blend the color really well. Now checking this dark navy blue shade on a flat eyeshadow applicator brush, I'm gonna directly stamp it all over my eyelid, and I'm not gonna drag it too much on my crease. I'm gonna concentrate it mainly on my eyelid and try to keep it as close to my lash line as possible. And just using stamping motion, I applied the color. I didn't drag the color because I don't want to lose the pigmentation. Now taking a small eyeshadow blending brush, I am gonna blend out the edges really well so that there are no harsh lines between the crease color and the lid color. So just wiggling the brush here and there, I am blending out the edges. Now with all those blending, the color loses some of its intensity, so I'm just here reapplying it with the same brush, and I'm just applying it first close to my lash line, and then with the help of the same brush I'm gonna blend it out, just wiggling the brush a little bit. Now to add that sparkle, I'm gonna take this sparkly blue pressed glitter from the palette, and using a small synthetic eyeshadow applicator brush, I'm just gonna stamp it all over my lid. I'm not dragging the glitter cause it will gonna smear all over the place and will look really patchy. So I'm just stamping it, and with the help of the same brush I'm just dragging it a little bit downwards because I don't want that obvious line of glitter like a cut crease. I want it to be a little bit faded out. So after applying that, I'm just taking the same fluffy eyeshadow blending brush and blending out the edges again. Now I'm just gonna stamp the same navy blue shade really close to my lower lash line. And as you all can see, my face is full of glitters because I did my face makeup first before completing my eye makeup. Please don't do the same mistake as I did. If you're gonna use any kind of glitters on your eyes, please complete your eye makeup first, then do your face makeup. So now I'm just gonna use the same sky blue eyeshadow to blend out this dark blue shade, and I'm gonna blend it out really well and also connect it with my upper lash line, creating a rounded effect. Now using a black kajal, I'm just tightlining both my upper and lower waterline. Taking this pinkish shimmery shade from the palette, I am gonna use it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well as under my brow bone. I really like this shade. It's so sparkly and shiny. You all can see how great the reflexes are in this eyeshadow, and you can also use it as a highlighter for your face. I really like this shadow in particular. And to finish up the look, I'm just curling up my lashes and applying few coats of mascara. And I popped on some fluttery lashes off the camera, and this is how my eye makeup look. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and if you really did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Till then, see you in my next video, girlies. Stay happy, stay safe.